Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jason, and I am going to finish unboxing the Disney Princess collection with the clocks. I've done a few, and I have 3, and here comes Stanley. He's my cat. Say hi, Stanley. All right, Stanley, go away. Go sit down. All right. Sorry, guys. So we're gonna unbox the rest of these. Hope we get the full collection. We have Belle, we have Snow White, we have Stanley, Ariel, and we have Mulan. Stanley, get your butt out of here. All right, let's go. I really want to get Rapunzel. We need Rapunzel, and we need Tiana. Let's see what we got. Stanley, don't sit on the pins, dude. And here comes Stanley again. Okay, buddy. Snow White. So this is my 3rd Snow White. She's really cute, though. I love the little apple that hangs down. All right, so what do we have? Rapunzel and Tiana. Rapunzel and Tiana. Dupes we can trade at the park. Actually, going tomorrow. So that's cool. All right, here we go. Ah, Rapunzel! Yay! Let's see. Oh, get a little reflection there. She's cute with a little lantern on the bottom. All right, one more to make the complete set. We just need Tiana. I have 4 boxes, so hopefully she'll be in one of these. Ariel. Seashell. Very cute. Stanley, I know you want to be a part of the video, but you can't open the pins. All right, here we go. Let's hope this is it. Tiana. I think it's Mulan. Yep, another Mulan. Stanley. Lay down, dude. I know. It's taking up from your time. So we might have guest stars in some of these videos, which would be Stanley, which you already met. And there's also Gary. He's really shy. He might not come around, but you never know. All right, Tiana. Yes, Tiana. So now we have a complete set. That's awesome. She's so cute. A little flower on the bottom. Love it. Love it. All right, so this one's gonna be a duplicate, we know for sure. I'd like another Rapunzel. And that's what it is, it's Rapunzel. Oh, that's great. So now I have a duplicate of Rapunzels, of Snow White, of Belle, Mulan, and Ariel. The only one I have left is that's it. We're all done. We got the whole set. What do you think, Stanley? Are you happy? I'm happy. That's my husband, Jesse.
Hi.
Say hi. Watch out, Stanley. All right, guys. I'll be back soon with another set to unbox.